Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by having a website you can get more customers and outrank your competition. So first things first, I don't see that you guys have a website. I was trying to search it on Google, and I came across this domain, but if I open it, of course, says it's not available. So for the purpose of the video, I went and did search of paving contractors, New Jersey. Now, I know you guys are located in North Brunswick, New Jersey, but that specific keyword, if I were to put here North Brunswick, New Jersey, paving contractors, you would come on first on the map section. But there's not too much volume for that specific for this keyword over here. You can see that it's 0 to 10. That means that there's not enough data to be actually sure. That means that there's not enough volume. On the other hand, if I do paving contractors NJ, there's an average of 90 searches a month, and you can see there's some variance here. There paving contractors Northern New Jersey, paving contractors Morris County. So these might be areas that you want to target. So for the purpose of the video, let's go and check. Of course, with this search, you can see the traditional Google Ads. And if this is not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money because you'll be paying basically every time that somebody clicks on your ad, and it's not guaranteed it's going to be a potential customer. Um, then, of course, you have the map section, and then you have the organic results. Number one, number two. So this blue book is the directory. I know them, so I work with a lot of contractors as well. In JAPA, same thing in our directory. And these guys are number three. Let's see why they're number three and what would you need to start ranking and competing with these guys. So, first things first, um, content on your website is very, very important because you need to have not just images, but the whole ordering over here. It has to be original, it has to be relevant, and it has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. In this case, it has to include paving contractors, NJ. And it has to be placed in not just one keyword because we can talk about other different keywords that will be applied to the type of services that you guys provide. But because the keyword they have to be placed in specific areas of your website so it can be actually be taken in consideration. And not just the homepage. Now the services, same thing. For example, depending on what you guys do, same thing. It doesn't have to have as much of the homepage, but the concept is there that you need a specific content for each one of the pages. So if I look on the back end of their website, you can see that they're being found for 388 keywords. It's bringing them around 211 visits a month to their website. And they have over 1,500 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that mention your website will be powered so that it can be found on Google as well. And this will increase your domain rating and your URL rating. Now, number of backlinks are created equal. So that means they can have hundreds and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most importantly, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that these guys are being found for really quick. And of course, asphalt paving NJ has an average of 200 searches a month. They're ranking number 6 on that, and it's bringing them 13 visits to their website straight from these 200 searches. 13 are going straight to their website. So that means they're engaging with customers. Driveway paving NJ, 200 searches a month. The ranking number almost at the end of the page. And they're getting 8 of those 200, which is really, really little. And why they're getting this little traffic, the volume is really high because every time 67% of people that do a Google search don't even pass this top 3 and this top 3 over here. That means that they're going all the way down and not even taking consideration the other pages. So that's a lot of people that they just go top 3 or top 3 over here. So keep that in mind as well. If you're looking over here, the keywords, NJ Paving Company, not much of a traffic. They're ranking number 4. They're only getting 2 of those 20, just probably 1% of that. So very important to understand. I don't want to take too much of your time, so if you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. If you have any other questions, we're happy to assist you with anything that you need. Just let us know. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon.